Hello everyone, we're Soviet.Market. Here's the Vostok Amphibian watch. The model number is 090486. This watch is made in Russia, manufacturer Vostok Watch Factory. The watch is sold in the black Vostok box. Russian manual included. Also, you can find our English manual in the watch box. This is a mechanical, automatic, self-winding watch. If the watch is worn every day, it will maintain timekeeping functions without winding. But if the watch hasn't been worn for an extended period, it will need to be wound manually. The watch will function for over 31 hours for each full manual wind. The winding function also includes a device that prevents overwinding. The watch has 31 jewels. According to Vostok's catalog, the movement caliber is 24 millimeters. The watch motion lasts an average term of service of 10 years. There's a central second hand. The watch comes standard with a 12-hour analog dial. The watch case is made of stainless steel. Case is matte. This model is also available in a polished case. Contact us for more info. The case diameter is 42 millimeters. The bezel is bidirectional and it moves to both sides. There's no clicking sound from the bezel. The glass is acrylic. It protrudes above the watch case. The reverse side of the watch is also made of stainless steel with the words water-resistant 200M, amphibian, automatic, and shockproof etched clearly in Russian. The added WR200M indicates that the watch is suitable for diving, ideal for swimming, serious surface water sports, and even professional marine dives. The watch dial is analog. The hand's dots are luminous and glow in the dark. The crown is located at 3 o'clock. For manual winding, simply unscrew the crown. It is not static, and it's normal that it hangs from a single connection point. There are 3 positions for the crown: screwed, unscrewed, and unscrewed pulled out. The winding pin can be seen in this state. In this crown position, you can set the time. It's important to screw the crown down after you've finished. The watch bracelet is made of stainless steel. The bracelet width is 22 millimeters. It has a folding clasp with safety. There are several links in the bracelet located on either side of the clasp, which can be removed for a comfortable fit. Here's the watch on my wrist. My wrist is 8 inches or 20 centimeters around. Check out our Instagram and Facebook right now. Stay in touch. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for new reviews. See you next time.